Welcome to our guide on how to trade cryptocurrency like a pro. Let's get started. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to become a successful crypto trader. Before you start trading, it's important to understand what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others, known as altcoins. The first step to trading crypto like a pro is to do your research. Understand the market, the different types of cryptocurrencies, and the technology behind them. Look at market trends, read news articles, and follow influential people in the crypto world on social media. Next, you'll need to choose a trading platform. There are many to choose from, each with its own features and fees. Some popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Make sure to choose a platform that suits your needs and is secure. Once you've chosen a platform, you'll need to set up a wallet. This is where you'll store your cryptocurrency. There are different types of wallets, including online wallets, mobile wallets, and hardware wallets. Now you're ready to make your first trade. Start small and only invest money you can afford to lose. Remember, trading cryptocurrency can be risky. To trade like a pro, you'll need a trading strategy. This could be based on technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or a combination of both. Your strategy should also include risk management techniques to protect your investment. Finally, stay informed. The crypto market is constantly changing, so it's important to keep up with the latest news and trends. This will help you make informed trading decisions. And that's it. Now trade crypto like a pro. Happy trading!